Hi, welcome to my channel, Tutorials by Georgia. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to save your battery life on your phone. So first, let's go to Settings. Then let's scroll down to Battery. And you're going to see the option Low Power Mode. You want to switch that on. And what that does is allow your phone to last a very long time because it reduces the background activity that your phone is using. I know I like to use it because if I charge my phone at the beginning of the day and I turn low power mode on, my phone battery, it will last the entire day. So I strongly suggest you using low power mode, especially if you know you won't have access to a charger. There's a way to add the low power mode option to your control center, which is what you're seeing right now. So what you want to do is go to Settings, hit Control Center, Customize Controls, then add Low Power Mode. And as you can see, if you take your finger and go to the right top corner and scroll down, you can see that Low Power Mode is now in your control center. So you can press it off, you can press it on. And what that does is make it easier so you don't have to always go into the Settings app and turn on low power mode. You could just go to your control center and it's right there. Now, another way to save the amount of battery you use is closing apps in the background. It's as simple as that. These apps sometimes run in the background and can be using your battery. So I suggest you closing them as you go. I hope this tutorial helped you and thank you for watching. Bye.